were all set to start our new and exciting journey up to Goa. We took the 22414 Delhi Goa Rajdhani Express, which starts from Nizamuddin railway station in early morning and reaches around 8 o'clock next day in Madgaon in the southern part of Goa. It took almost 26 hours to reach there, but we were not tired. We were quite busy on the train. Me and my friend discussed a lot about our life, about different places, as the Rajdhani Express crossed many states. We were most excited when we crossed Rajasthan. It was desert both sides, and our train was cruising through the desert of Rajasthan. We saw a herd of camel and we were excited, but before we captured, it kind of vanished.
আর আসার চান্স নাই, না না সব ক্ষেত দেখা যাচ্ছে। ওটা বাঞ্জারার একটা টিম ছিল না, ওই যারা যেমন ধরো শিপের হয় না, ওরকম ওরা ওখানে ঘোরাচ্ছে। আর কি আছে বলো তো, রাজস্থানের জয়সলমের আছে, সোনার কেল্লা। রাজস্থানে একটা রাস্তা আছে জানো, 150 কিলোমিটার স্পিডে গাড়ি চালাতে হবে, তোমাকে স্টিয়ারিংও মানে কিছু করতে হবে না, সিধা একদম। আর 3 ঘন্টা 4 ঘন্টা তুমি চোখ বন্ধ করে থাকো, বাস গাড়ি ধরে থাকো, কোনো গাড়িও নেই অপোজিট থেকে, শুধু মরুভূমি দুদিকে।
My travel schedule will include the southern part of Goa, which is less commercialized, less people around, it's quiet and serene. And alongside I will cover the northern part of Goa, which is the commercial part where you will find the nightlife and hustle and bustle and crowded places. So both part I will cover in my upcoming episodes. My focus to cover the Goan fishermen life, and I'm very excited to go in the deep sea with them. I must say the food provided by the Indian Railway and the service offered by the IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation staff, provided on that train was exceptional. Why Goa? Why fisherman life? I think it's very important to know the hard-working job what they do. You know, the fishing community in Goa is one area that helps us find connection between what the Goans do today and what their forefathers used to do. Goan traditions are a blend of doing things for livelihood and doing things as a hobby. Fishing finds a place in both areas from times immemorial.
So hello, good morning. Finally I'm here in Goa and I have Mr. Mohammed here with me. He'll help me with the bike and I hope I'll get a good bike from him. It's the rate he is asking for is 600 per day and I'm taking it for at least a week. So Mohammed, how many years you've been doing this business? I mean this bike?
4 years.
Huh?
4 years.
4 years. And you stay where? I mean, where is your
stay
house?
in Madgaon.
Madgaon.
Yes.
Wow. And Madgaon is how far? I mean, this is Madgaon only. So your house is how far from this place?
Half
I mean,
kilometer.
Half kilometer. And who are there in your family?
My brother, my bhabis, and my family.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see what kind of bike we get. Stay tuned. Bye for now. If you have free time, you can join us in Butterfly Beach. मैं आपको कॉल करूँगा एक बार. मैं वही थोड़ा खाना वाना पैक करके वहीं कुछ फिशरमैन के साथ काम करना है मुझे ना. Want to go to this deep sea fishing experience.
वो बोट में जाने का.
हाँ, बोट में उनके साथ जाना है. सुबह सुबह निकलना है. तो उसके लिए मुझे कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा?
आपको एक बेतल इधर है अपना माजोड़ा में एक है.
कहाँ पे?
माजोड़ा जो धक्का रहता है ना सर, जिधर से मच्छी निकालते हैं ऐसा अपना बेनोली में.
बेनोली में. हाँ हाँ
गोवा बीच.
हाँ हाँ
अपने को मालूम नहीं वो कौन निकालता है.
हाँ हाँ
आप पता करो
हाँ
और
हाँ
उनके साथ जा सकते हो. बोलो मैं ऐसा थोड़ा करने के लिए आया हूँ.
हाँ.
जाएंगे.
उनको थोड़ा बातचीत करके थोड़ा वो करना पड़ेगा, कन्विंस करना पड़ेगा. उनका लाइफ बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है बट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी है. तो वो सोच रहा हूँ लोगों को दिखाऊंगा मैं.
लोग उनको इधर ऐसे लोग उनको यूज़ करते हैं और पेमेंट भी देते हैं. ऐसे भी आदमी है.
हाँ अच्छा अच्छा.
ये काम सिर्फ उड़ीसा के ही आदमी करते हैं सर. दूसरा कोई भी नहीं करता.
उड़ीसा वाले.
उड़ीसा.
अरे अच्छा अच्छा.
पानी में रहना बोला तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है सर.
हाँ डिफ़िकल्ट है, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट.
पानी में रहना मतलब सांस बंद होता है. पानी और आग बराबर है.
बराबर है. हाँ बराबर. और समुंदर में तो तकलीफ ज़्यादा होता है.
बहुत.
हरा पानी है उसमें नमकीला.
ये अपना गोवा पुलिस स्टेशन सर. सिंगम मुझे दिखाया था.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. अच्छा जी.
भैया वो एक्टिवा का बोला वो.
अरे यार ये क्या हो गया?
एक्टिवा का.
You're wasting time also.
गाड़ी भी अच्छा है. नया गाड़ी है. देखे छोड़ो मिलेगा भी. बाइक भी नहीं.
अब कितना दो देना है बताओ. हाँ
वो गाड़ी मांगते 10 का.
वेस्पा नहीं ना, गियर गाड़ी चाहिए. थोड़ा लॉन्ग ड्राइव है ना.
लॉन्ग ड्राइव कर सकते हैं.
कौन सा मॉडल इस साल का ही है सर?
Eventually, I could manage to find a bike suitable to me. Well, it is not easy to find a bike all the time. I started with Muhammad Ji from the railway station and I looked for many places. Ultimately, I settled down with the Splendor bike. That bike was new and I must say at the end of the day, I was fortunate enough to get that bike.
So this place is very important for the Goans, you know, or the locals for their oxygen supply, you know, because it's quite a thick forest here. We've seen many variety species of birds and mammals. So here I am with my friend hiking through the forest of Goa, and we are heading towards a beautiful beach which is a well-known place nowadays. A lot of young blood, you know, rushing this kind of places, which is called Butterfly Beach. So, you know, I'll have the first glimpse very soon.
It was a ride for approximately 35 kilometers from Madgaon to Butterfly Beach. You have to take the National Highway 66 towards Bangalore, and once you kind of close to the Palolem beach, you have to ask someone. There is a diversion on the right hand side, and there is a Kacha road that leads towards the forest, and where you can park your vehicle and you have to walk for approximately 25 minutes to reach to this amazing, beautiful butterfly beach.
I can hear the fountain, the beautiful sound of the waterfall that kind of goes towards the beach, and we are almost there, almost. And for your surprise, it just pops up, this beach, the beautiful butterfly beach. I was here a couple of years back, and it seems as it is. It's a beautiful place for the nature lovers. So I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful butterfly beach, and I'm gonna come up with a lot of videos from different places of Goa. Probably will be going to the fisher village, and we'll be spending some time with the fishermen, local fishermen of Goa. So stay tuned, enjoy this series. Brother, by the way, Anand, you are local here?
Yeah.
So how was the condition 2 years back? How about the cleanliness?
All our cleanliness was there.
Everything was clean. There used to be less people used to come here, if I'm not wrong. अभी हाल मतलब बहुत ही दिख रहा है.
हाँ. हम लोग बाद में लेबर डाल के लेके जाते हैं.
लेबर डाल के आप लेके
बोट
जाते
वाला आके लेबर डाल के लेके जाते हैं.
कहाँ वो
They will take in Palolem.
Palolem?
From Agonda side, they will clean and they will take that.
Oh, yeah, it's quite an initiative. It doesn't look good, isn't it? As you can see here, trash. I mean you can see here the amount of trash here. It's unimaginable, considering this tiny sea beach here in the southern Goa. Nobody cares. Came here 2 years back. That time it was clean, there was nobody. Now it's all